Okay, hi guys. Today I have with me this APD Sentinel. Thank you APD for supplying me a pair to do reviews with it. Okay, this is the standard package that they come with. Always have a keychain. If you don't have, please ask your retailer where is it. It's part of the package. Okay, every time you buy an APD higher grade glove, they will have this. Okay, all right. And also, okay, there's a glove wallet. Okay, this is I like glove wallets like this. Due to the fact that it separates your glove, so that you don't end up with both gloves sticking together and having to pull it apart is a pain. It's a pain. Okay, cause you see all the latex sticking to each other. Sometimes you take it out as abrasions for no valid reasons. Okay, this is the gloves. Okay, this is the blackout. It's like a triple black. It's a matte glove. Not those shiny kinds. Okay, this one was launched, if I'm not mistaken, in December. Okay, I just got it, like, I think a few days ago. Pardon me for being late, cause I have too many gloves to review. Okay, this one, it comes in contact latex. It's a negative. They sent me a pair of negative. Okay, what we can see from this is it has the rubberized logo on it, but the backhand of it, it's not foam, not 100% foam. I think it's a kind of latex, and it's quite soft compared to those what you call it, those the one that you can print on it. I forgot what's its name. I certainly have a mental block suddenly. Okay, enough of it. I will get back to it once I remember what it is. Okay, it has 5 finger safes in it. Okay, definitely this it's a removable finger safe kind of glove. Okay, so you can, if let's say you have an injury, you want to put it, if you are comfortable with wearing finger safes, then this is your kind of gloves. Okay, it retails for 1,800 baht. 1,900 baht. Sorry, my mistake. 1,900 baht, which is like, I think, hold on, how much is it in Singapore dollars? 2,000 is $180, like 80 Singapore dollars, or maybe 40 British pounds plus minus. Yeah, 40 British pound, 50 euros. That's my estimation. I don't know what's the exchange rate right now. Okay, so this is a pair of it. Okay, features of it, it has extended pump. Okay, it has an extended pump and a normal wrist strap where the entry is elasticated band, so puts in easily. I can say that. Okay, if I remove the finger safes, it will be easier. Okay, but then again, for you guys, I'm wearing it. Not taking it out. Okay, wait. Oh, yep. Yes, finally. Okay. Okay. Yeah, put it on already. All right. Okay. See, the detailing of it it's quite a nice glove. Okay, it's quite a mystery glove if you ask me, because it's triple black. You see, so black gloves. Yes. Okay. The latex is contact latex. Typical contact latex that comes with plastic wrap over it. Okay, and there's an extended pump to it. Okay, you can remove actually the extended pump if you are careful enough. If for me, I would like maybe take it out from here. Okay, use a pen knife carefully to cut off the thread. Once the thread is off, you can pull it apart. Once you pull it apart, take a scissors, just go across. Okay, it sits right on the pump. Okay, it's not an extended pump. Exactly, if you cut it off, it won't be an extended pump. So for me, I hated extended pump because it's not really flexible for me. Okay, so I always take out if I can take it out, I would take it out. Like this, I would definitely take it out. Okay, if this is my gloves, I would take it out. definitely. I will cut it off. I will cut off this pair, this side off, and definitely your gloves will become lighter. But those are for people who doesn't like extended palm like myself. I don't really favor extended palm that much. So this is an easy way to remove. And this is the easiest. I think this is one of the easiest glove to remove the extended palm, because the strap is not stitched to it. Okay, some glove models they are stitched to it. So it's a bit difficult to take out, but this one it'll be easier, definitely way easier. Okay, the strap, okay, slightly smaller than the usual APD, slightly smaller, maybe half a centimeter, so it doesn't make much of a difference. Okay, and there's a rubberized pull tab for it. Okay, it looks it's a bit long and it's a bit flappy, but it's okay. I'm afraid that after a lot of wear and tear, this will go off first. Okay, for the backhand, okay, it is a kind of foam, but it's not printed. It can be printed on it, so they stamped it. They stamped the word APD on it. The design, it's quite a nice black glove. If you are into black gloves, this glove looks very stealthy, mysterious, I shall say that. Okay, the thumb of it is a negative stitch thumb, if you buy negative, of course. The gussets are rubber gussets. Okay? Like I said before, the plus point of rubber gussets is when your gloves rotate, when you're catching a hard ball, it rotates as well, and there's contact surface on it. So in another word, that you have contact surface all around with rubber gussets. Okay, there's breathable mesh, sideways, things like that. So it's not too warm. Imagine if you wear the gloves is fully detailed with full backhand with foam or with this material, it's going to be warm. But they thought of it. They put breathable mesh, so it helps in ventilation, where I think it's very crucial in our tropical weather to have a glove with ventilation. Okay, detailing and things like that, I say for its price, it's quite a good glove. Latex, definite, typical contact latex, good in dry weather, but always pre-wash your gloves. Okay, inside of the gloves, there's the silicone lining on the fingers. Okay, definitely, there's like going across. I can feel it. I can't show it to you guys. But inside, definitely, there's silicone latex. Typical APD, they like their gloves to have rubberized grip inside, silicone. So as it's an anti-slip technology, some gloves have it, other gloves don't. So it prevents slippage on or it prevents unwanted, unnecessary movements, and also it gives a tighter fit when you have the silicone, the tighter feel, so you feel tighter, rather than if your fingers can move inside your gloves, it doesn't feel that tight, it feels roomy. So what APD did was putting silicone in it, inject silicone in the inside of the gloves, so that your fingers don't move that much and you have a snug feel, rather than if you don't have, your fingers will be moving around, you can feel that it's not snug enough. But this is quite a snug glove. If I take out the finger safes, I think definitely it'll be better. It's not quite a light gloves, but I think it's okay. It's around mid range, maybe closer to the stripe version of Nike. Around that weight, if you take out the backhand finger safe. Okay, so this is my take on the new APD Sentinel. Okay, you can see the word Sentinel. Okay, Sentinel. Okay, so this is my take on the APD Sentinel. Pull tab, everything fits perfectly. So if you're a 10, buy a 10. If you're a 9, buy a 9. But APD don't come in half sizes, so it can be a pain at times for those who wear 9.5, or those wear half sizes. So my advice to you is either go big, maybe half a size bigger, never go small. Because if you ever have a ball that you wanted to stop and the ball hits your finger, you might, the chances of you breaking your finger or dislocating your finger is very high. So try not to wear gloves that are too tight for you, that your fingers reach to the edge max, and it feels like it's protruding out. That is the sign of gloves that are tight, that are too tight for you. Okay, so important is your fingers must never reach the edge of the glove. Okay, so that's a tip that you should be aware of when buying gloves. Okay, so that's my take on the APD Sentinel. So I hope you like it, and yeah, good night.